Tesla CEO Elon Musk provided a new update on Tesla Model S Plaid Delivery event. He set a new date and said it will be the fastest production car. Not the fastest car, because this morning I reported that the Roadster will have 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.1 seconds with the SpaceX package. But Elon Musk said this is the fastest production car. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla EV news. Ring the bell, share in social media, and give us thumbs up if you find this report helpful, please. So the details are from Simon Alvarez from Tesla Radi, based on Elon Musk's tweet last night, actually today, May 20th, early this morning, where he tweeted saying Tesla Model S Plaid Delivery event will be, and he gave a news. So after months of delivery, the Tesla Model S Plaid has finally received a definitive customer release date. As per a recent tweet from Tesla CEO Elon Musk, the Model S Plaid would hold a delivery event on June 3, 2021, and it would be held at the Fremont factory in California. So look forward, reserve your place. It's going to be interesting to watch June 3 at the Fremont factory in California. Musk's announcement was brief, though he did highlight the upcoming flagship sedan's Model S Plaid performance, which should make it one of the fastest production cars ever made. The arena for four-door family sedans that are capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles in 1.9 seconds is very small after all. So here's what Elon Musk said. He said, Tesla Model S Plaid Delivery event June 3 at our California factory, and he added second sentence saying fastest production car ever, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. The Tesla Model S Plaid's customer deliveries were initially announced for February, though these were delayed as the EV maker was hit with the ongoing chip shortage and other challenges. Elon Musk shared some insights on these delays and challenges during the Q1 2021 earnings call. He said, with respect to the Model S and X, there were more challenges than expected in developing the Model S, or what we call the Palladium program, which is the new version of Model S and Model X, which has revised interior and new battery pack and new drive units and new internal electronics, and has, for example, a PlayStation 5 level infotainment system. Another quote from Musk said, there's just a lot of issues encountered. So it took quite a bit of development to ensure that the battery of the new Model S and Model X is safe, and we're trying to get all in the car slowly for the past few months, but we're just staking them up in the yard and just making refinements to the cars that we build, Musk said. So despite the delays in the Model S Plaid customer deliveries, Tesla's development of the vehicle continued in recent weeks. The Model S Plaid has been spotted in Laguna Seca Raceway undergoing testing. Videos of the flagship sedan shared in the past few days have revealed that the Model S Plaid is already amazingly capable, with unofficial observations from electric vehicle enthusiasts estimating that the vehicle had completed a lap around Laguna Seca in less than 1 minute 30 seconds. So I'm going to tell you, this is the date and information about Model S delivery. Let me know, friends, your thoughts on this. But I want to also talk to you about another fast car, that Tesla Roadster, that is currently being shown in the Peterson Automotive Museum, and the speed factor. The 0 to 60 with the SpaceX package is going to be 1.1 second. That's what the panel on the car says at the Peterson Automotive Museum. But before I go any further about that, I wanted to say that right now in the world, especially in Europe, like in Dutch or in European Union, there is a current trend to restrict car speeds more and more. So therefore, more and more acceleration time becomes, in my opinion, less and less important. You can't really use it unless you are on track. So what do you think about this trend and being so taken by the more and less acceleration time. But the information there is that an information panel for the next generation Tesla Roadster at the Peterson Automotive Museum has provided a shocking teaser for the vehicle's SpaceX package, Tesla Roadster SpaceX package. As per the museum information panel, the new Tesla Roadster SpaceX package would be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.1 seconds, a figure that is unprecedented among modern road cars. Now, when I spoke about the Model S Plaid, I said that I quoted Elon Musk, who said that this is the fastest production car, and I said that about Tesla Roadster, that Roadster's 1.1 second is unprecedented among modern road cars. Now, the thing here is that explains the difference is that, or seemingly the conflict is that the Roadster is not a production car. This new Roadster is not a production car yet, but the Model S Plaid is already a production car with a delivery date of June 3 from the Fremont factory. Now, coming back to Roadster, the initial images of the all-electric supercar posted yesterday from the Peterson Automotive Museum revealed that the Roadster did not have an official information panel from the Peterson Automotive Museum as a placeholder. The museum only noted that the vehicle was a new arrival and that its signage was in progress. The information panel was placed later during the day, as evidenced by images of the vehicle taken at night, and one of them came from a Twitter user, Zach. His handle is BLKMDL3. I will have the link in the description of this video, which showed it, and it was then that avid Tesla enthusiast Zach noticed something shocking that was seemingly disclosed about the new Roadster, or more specifically the next generation Roadster SpaceX package. As per the Peterson Automotive Museum's information panel, the Tesla Roadster SpaceX package would be capable of accelerating from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in stunning 1.1 seconds. Now, here's what the panel says. There are two paragraphs there. One says 1.9 seconds, the second says 1.1 seconds. So here's the paragraph 1 from the panel. Unveiled in 2017, the Roadster is the second iteration of the first car released by Tesla, powered by lightweight lithium-ion batteries and a Plaid powertrain, in which one electric motor powers the front wheel and two power the rear. The standard Roadster will reportedly be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 1.9 seconds. That's the first paragraph, and as you saw, it is also powered by Plaid powertrain, which is the Plaid Model S, which is being unveiled on June 3 from the Fremont factory, the refreshed Plaid. Now, the second paragraph on the panel of Tesla Roadsters from the Roadster from the Peterson Automotive Museum says, demonstrating the versatility of electric power and adding extra distinction to the car's already high performance, and announced SpaceX package would outfit the Roadster with cold air thrusters positioned at the rear, allowing for a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 1.1 seconds, a rate largely unprecedented among road cars. So, we have two fast cars coming from Tesla, friends. One is very near, and the Tesla Model S Plaid with a delivery date, with an update on delivery date from Tesla CEO Elon Musk. And the second is Tesla Roadster, currently being displayed at the Peterson Automotive Museum, and with a stunning 1.1 second acceleration time with Plaid powertrain. Well, let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. By the way, we're searching for hiring for more Tesla reporters. If you are interested, have interest in electric cars and Tesla, please contact me, and subscribe to our channel, like this video, give us thumbs up if it was informative and helpful, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone.